Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Renita D'Souza. Today let us learn about an Ayurvedic herbal oil, Tekaraja Tailam, mainly indicated in respiratory conditions. It is more commonly prepared with coconut oil, hence it is also called as Tekaraja Keram or Thekarajadi coconut oil. This product is also known as Thekarajadi Tailam. Coming to the benefits of Tekaraja coconut oil, it is indicated in Ayurvedic treatment for cough, cold and chronic respiratory conditions. Usage of Tekaraja Tailam, it is used for both internal administration and external application. Externally, it is applied over chest, throat and head. Ingredients of Tekaraja Keram, it contains Haritaki powder. This is one among the 3 fruits that constitute triphala. It is rich in antioxidants. Juice extract of Bhringaraja, it is mainly used in treatment of cough, cold, asthma and respiratory infections. Its shloka says, Tekaraja vimshati bhage paktva tailam abhaya prativapam kasa mashu vinihanti narana mega vrindamiva maruta vegaha. Side effects of Tekaraja Keram. There are no known side effects with this product on external application. Seek doctor's advice for its oral administration. It is manufactured by many Ayurvedic pharma companies like Arya Vaidishala, Kotakal, Vaidya Ratnam, Amrita Life, etc. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Ayurveda, please visit easyayurveda.com.